Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I am going to see whether your person will try to contact you in this month of October since Mercury retrograde is going on. So let's see what's is communication on their mind or they want to communicate with you. Let's see, let's what's in their mind and what's in their heart, and let's see. Celebration, I feel some kind of celebration or something is going on in your person's house, or it can be in your house also. I feel some kind of your cousin's marriage or your relative's marriage. This is quite possible in your house. If this is not the case, then I feel your person is thinking about third party situations with whatever he or she has entered into. Then they must be thinking about all this because Mercury retrograde is going on. This is quite possible that the person may think about all these things. Integration, this is integration card. This definitely means person come here, masculine and feminine energies merging together. So it's quite possible that the person may think about contacting you and talking with you, because this is a card of integration. So they must be thinking about all these things. They now have realized that this is something past life connection, very strong connection. And because the past life card is coming, and this is coming from the creator, this some guidance their person is getting from the universe or from the source, or maybe they are also seeing your number, your this the angel numbers and your name everywhere. Because of this, that they may be feeling that this is a past life connection, or maybe they have consulted some tarot card reader or something like that. So they must have told him that they told your person that this is your past life connection, strong soulmate or twin flame kind of connection. So this is going on in your person's head right now. So because of that, they are dreaming about you and they are feeling guilty, definitely whatever they have done with you. Definitely strong dreaming is going on about you. This is kind of lovers card also. So lovers card is also like a person wants to come and date you and meet you, but they are guilty at present. They are very guilty at present, and schizophrenia card is coming. They are not able to bridge this gap, whatever gap they have created between both of you. They don't know how to cross this bridge and how to narrow this gap. They are thinking about narrowing this gap. So how to narrow this gap? The only way to narrow this gap is to come and contact you and call you and start talking to you. That is the only option for this person. But let me see whether they will come and talk to you, or what they want to talk to you, or what. See, again they are so much exhausted. Again, since this person is completely exhausted, they are feeling guilty, they are in completely nostalgic mode, and they are just only thinking about past and whatever wrong they have done in their life with you. Majorly because with you they are thinking about that. Actually, receptivity card is coming. And suppose you try to contact your person, I feel your person will respond back to you. Receptivity card is coming. So they may contact you, or they may try to get in touch with you. This kind of feeling I am getting. So your person can respond positively if you are contacting them. And you have to let go all the past things what has ever happened even in your life. You have to let go all those things. Even your person is been advised to let go what has happened in the past. They are feeling very guilty, and all these things is not right for him or her right now. So much guiltless, they have to let go this guilt. Unless and until they are going to heal this thing, they are not going to come forward. Success is definitely awaiting. So it is strong possibility if they let go all these things, and they can come and contact you, because receptivity card is coming and success card is coming. There is a strong possibility of person coming and contacting you, and the communication starting between both of you. This is strong possibilities until this month of October. Mercury retrograde plus shadow of Mercury retrograde is till 2nd of November. So it's a strong possibility a person may come and contact you. The sun, the sun card is coming. So there is a very, this is a main, the very strongest powerful card in the tarot. So I feel there is a strong possibility of both of you connecting in this month. And the thinking woman, they are thinking a lot about you. I can say that they are thinking a lot about you, and a victory card is coming. If you are continuously thinking that your person should contact you and the communications should start between both of you, there is a strong possibility to end. A victory card is coming. So I feel there is a strong possibility of a communication, majorly on 28th is the card is coming, so maybe after either it can be 10th of October or it can be 28th of October. Strong possibility that your person can contact you, and a 50 number card is coming. Angel of strength, they are gaining strength to contact you. Actually, you can say that they are gaining strength, they need strength to contact you. That's the thing. Actually, this person is very very guilty, and they are very very apologetic for whatever they have done with you. They are realizing their mistakes slowly, but this person will not all of a sudden admit in front of you that they are guilty and this and that, because they have a very big ego. So they definitely they feel guilty, but this kind of people, those who are emperor kind of energy or something like that, they don't admit very easily that they are guilty about it, that though they may be feeling inside. Child card is coming, there can be some child issues between both of you, or it's quite possible that a person has some child from the previous partner, that can be the issue, or if a person has have inner child issues, that is also quite possible. False person, this person knows that they are wearing the mask and this mask is coming down. This person has to remove their mask, or they may have realized the other people, those who have backstabbed this person, they have realized that those people were wearing masks, and so they are realizing all this thing. A courthouse is coming, so quite possibly in some cases the legal matters is going on in a person's life, maybe in the third party situation or with family members regarding property or something, like anything is possible. Some legal matter is also going on, so that is also mattering, bothering a person a lot. So that is also bothering a person, and because of that they are not able to come and remove their mask in front of you. That is also quite possible. So all this thing is making the person very very tense, and they are not able to take action, and they are really very guilty about all these things. Maybe the possible the third party must have taken some legal action on them, and because of that they are very guilty and they are not able to come out of this, and they are not able to take action. But the 5 number card is coming, so I do twice the 5 number card has come, 5 number here and 50. So I definitely see a change coming in this month. Some sort of communication may come from your person, I feel this way. This is a strong possibility I see in this card reading. Oh friends, you got some idea whether your person will contact you or not. If you get a communication, then please tell me that, please write in the comment section. Thanks a lot.